Well, we are closing in on that mid-season point. It's hard to believe this is week 3 of the season. Let's dive right into our Super 10. Number 10, Maynard dropped a couple spots after last week. They lost to Bowles 27-20. Great showing by that offense, though. They've got a tough one Friday night against Riverside. Number 9, Range, tough one last week to Trinity Christian, 41-28 loss. Range will try to get back on track this week at Sandalwood. White, one of the newcomers in the rankings this week. You know, they were in our debut poll. They lost to Trinity Christian, but they are back in the rankings. They beat Sandalwood 26-10. They got a 2-0 Inglewood on Friday. That's a tough game. Inglewood has been playing really well. As we make our move into our next segment of teams, Baker County, big win over Oakleaf 25-20 last week. They've got a showdown on Saturday against Richmond Hill in the Border Classic. That is up in Brunswick this weekend. Number 6, Jackson. They've been steadily climbing all season long. They started at number 10 in our rankings. They are up to number 6. A tough one for Coach Christopher Foy and the Tigers this week. They make a trip to the beach. Face the Beach Rats, those Fletcher Senators. They're coming off a big win last weekend. Making the move into our top 5 here. Creekside, game of the week last week. They beat Neek 62-41. They've got a Border Classic showdown against Glen Academy on Thursday night. Sean McIntyre and the Knights put up 62 last week. Can they keep that going? Fleming Island stays the same. Our 4, 3, and 2 teams are all the same this week. Fleming beat Rickards 51-20 last week. They're averaging 50 points a game this season. Damian Springs' team very well balanced, defense and offense getting it done on both sides of the ball. Bartram Trail, again, staying the same. A good showdown last week. They beat Seabreeze 38-27 last week. They're going right back down to Daytona this week against Daytona Beach Mainland. A good showing last week on the offensive side of the ball, putting up 38 points after a slow start. Number 2, Bowles Bulldogs. You heard me mention them earlier in the Super 10. Big win against Mandarin. That second half, they really pulled away 27-20 over the Mustangs. They're against Brunswick in the Border Classic on Friday night. That could be the game of the 7 games that we are airing and streaming. And number 1, no big surprise, Trinity Christian. They hold on to our top spot, 2-0 now after a 41-28 win against Range. They are opening district play against NFEI on Friday night. That wraps up our Super 10.